Shalom. Want to give all praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Kakodash. Double honor to the apostles and those of great millstone. And salutations to the sincere Akim, the 144,000 men, 1/3 men, women, and children like to be saved. Brother Yahweh from GMS Guyana, coming at you with another lesson. As you see here on which is on the screen, there's 3 guys at the back of a van, and believe it or not, the guy in the middle is dead, and they're parading this dude around this place, and goes to show that these people worship the dead people. These people glorify the dead, and I'm about to show you the difference between the Israelite, the righteous, and the wicked. You know how we do things according to Scripture. You know, this is Proverbs chapter 21 verse 16. The man that wandereth out of the way of understanding shall remain in the congregation of the dead. Right, the man that wandereth out the way of understanding shall remain in the congregation of the dead. And that's what they do. You know, they ain't even realize that they're spiritually dead, and this guy that died is looking down from heaven thinking, what the is these men doing? He's thinking that. I know he's thinking that because he's with the Most High, according to Ecclesiastes chapter 12. Just get that quick and prove that. This is Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 7. Then shall the dust return to the earth as it was, and the spirit shall return unto the Most High who gave it. See that? So it's back in heaven. Let me get this other quick one. Salakia. Let me just put this on Do Not Disturb. Yeah. What to say? Let me see. This one, Job chapter 3. Things from 9. Yeah, this is Job chapter 3 verse 15. It says, I'm starting from 13. No, 11. Just verification, right? Job chapter 3 verse 11 says, why did I not from the womb? Why did not I give up the ghost when I came out of the belly? Why did the knees prevent me, or why the breasts that I should suck? For now should I have lain and been quiet, I should have slept, then had been at rest, with kings and councils of the earth, which built desolate places for themselves, or with princes that had gold filled with their houses and silver, or as hidden untimely birth, talking about a miscarriage, so to speak. I had not been as infants which never saw the light. There the wicked cease from troubling, and there the weary be at rest. So you see, he probably was a wicked man, because if he was among righteous men, the righteous men would not condone that. They would have explained to them that, don't be parading no dead body around. They're defiling everything. Let's get what is that, boy? That's in Numbers. Defile. This is talking about the Levite, but we're all priests and Levite in at this point in time, because we're going to be a kingdom of priests anyway. This is Leviticus 21:1. And Yahweh said unto Moses, speak unto the priests and the sons of Aaron, say unto them, there shall none be defiled for the dead among his people. See that? So because when you touch a dead body, you're unclean for 7 days, And look, these dudes parading this shit. So let me get to the main precept. That's what the wicked would do, but this is what the righteous would do, you know. This is Tobit chapter 2, verse 1. It says, Now when I was come home, and my wife Anna was restored unto me, with my son Tobias, in the feast of Pentecost, which is the holy feast of 7 weeks, there was a good dinner prepared me, in which I sat down to eat meat. When I saw the abundance of meat, I said to my son, Go and bring what poor man soever thou shalt find of our brethren, who is mindful of the Lord. See that? Looking for righteous men. And lo, I tarry for thee. And he came again and said, Father, one of our nations is strangled and cast out in the marketplace. Then, before I had tasted of any meat, I started, took him up into a room until the going down of the sun. Then I returned and washed myself and ate my meat in heaviness, remembering that the prophecy of Amos, as he said, Your feast shall be turned into mourning, and your mirth into lamentation. Therefore I wept, and after the going down of the sun, I went and made a grave and buried him. He didn't parade the damn city. He had to be in the house, in a chamber. You know, he washed himself and he go and eat meat, secure the body. And then he afterward he go and bury the next day. None of this prolonging stuff. You know. These people are just clearly wicked. They're clearly wicked, you know. They're wise to do evil. Let's get that. Wise. Evil. This is Jeremiah 4:20. For my people are foolish, they have not known me. They are sottish children. Sottish means stupid. They have none understanding. They are wise to do evil, but to do good they have no knowledge. You know. So that was just a quick hit. I want to give all praises to Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, Bashim Kakwadash, double honors the apostle and elders of Great Stone. Salutations to the 144,000 men, the 1/3 men in the church elected to be saved. Abad Babal, Shalom Barakatah.